Moringa manufacturer and exporter. We are specialist company handling in Moringa Oleifera. Our headquarter is in Lombok Island, Indonesia, while our Moringa oil processing facility is in West Tenggara province of Indonesia. We plan on doing reforestation of Moringa trees on many empty land plots available in the region in order to have more sustainable sourcing. For Moringa Leaf processed raw materials, we collect from local partners. We doing our own planting and leaf processing unit as well because we want to generate more income to our local people and we need to expand our output quantity to meet global demands. For finished products, we collaborate with various reputable local and foreign manufacturers that are expert in their specific product sector respectively to manufacture high quality and safe food and cosmetic finished products. For Moringa oil, the Moringa seeds we procure for processing into Moringa oil are wildly collected from Mother Nature without cutting down or damaging the tree.